How to fix if you are marked as possible spammer on YouTube. Now, if you are flagged as a spammer in YouTube, in that case, you need to first figure out if that spamming marking is legit or not. In order to know that, you need to look at your YouTube behavior while commenting. If you are making similar type of comment in multiple videos, for example, begging for likes and those kind of comments, in that case, you are violating the community guidelines, and that's why you are marked as a possible spammer. There is hardly a fix for this issue if you have mistakenly did something like that. But if you didn't do anything like that and still get flagged as a spammer, in that case, you can reach out to the YouTube customer support and you can submit an email to the customer support writing that you are flagged as a spammer without violating any community guidelines, and as soon as they get that email and review it, your issue will be fixed. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.